What's up, Cajon players? I hope you are doing great. I'm very happy to be back here with another Cajon video for you. Today I'm going to test and review a Cajon line designed especially for beginner Cajon players. This is the Cajon Rudiments by the German brand Schlagwerk. I have here with me two versions of the Rudiments line, the Nature and the vintage Walnut. So without further ado, let's check the specifications of these cajons. The cajons of the Rudiments line are snare cajons type that comes with two sets of 20 strands. The body of these cajons are made of recycled wood material, what makes the Rudiments line eco-friendly and sustainable. It comes with an anti-slip surface on the top of the cajon for a more comfortable and safe playing. And it comes with a traditional Schlagwerk felt fit. The main difference of these two models I have here is the front plate. The CP80 has a natural birch wood front plate, and the CP90 comes with a walnut veneer, which, according to the website, creates a more balanced instrument with beautiful snare bass separation. I'm curious to see and hear that. Both cajons measure around 50 centimeters height by 30 centimeters wide by 30 centimeters deep. Now let's see the prices of these models. For the CP80 Nature model, around 109 euros in Europe and $150 in the US. And for the CP90 Vintage Walnut, around 145 euros in Europe and $200 in the US. I have included all the links in the description below in case you want to buy one of these cajons. But before buying it, let's see how it sounds. The mics I'm using here are the Shure SM57 in the front, Shure Beta 52 in the back, and a pair of Behringer C2 overheads. Now I'm going to show the sound demo of these two models for you to hear the difference between the models. Now I'm going to improvise a little bit, some grooves and fills, for you to listen how it sounds in a more musical context. It's an instrument made for beginners with a very affordable price. Taking this into account, the Nature model has a good snare sound, with a very good attack. I really like it. However, the bass sound is not so good. For me, it misses definition and I hear too much of the snare buzz while playing the bass. Although the two Cajons are made of almost the same material, the Walnut model feels like a more premium Cajon. The snare sound has a great attack and the bass sound is much better than the other model. As they mentioned in the website, the veneer of the front plate makes the difference and the sound separation is much better in this model. The design of both models is very cool and I really like the stamp with the drum rudiments in the sides of the CP80. Considering the prices of these Cajons, you can't go wrong. It's a very good value for money. Now I want to hear from you. Leave your comment below with your opinions about these Cajons. And if you are interested in purchasing one of these models, you can use the links I have included in the description below. If you like these and other videos here on the channel, I would like to invite you to join my online Cajon school at cajonmaster.com. There is a lot of new content that I would love to share with you, so go there now and join it for free. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you soon.